Cynthia, how excited are you to be talking to Victor? Because I know you know what he's doing.
I'm extremely excited, girl. You just don't know.
Victor, go ahead and tell us who you are and what do you want to present today. It's not just about one upcoming event, but there's a whole series of engagement.
My name is Victor Tolbert. I'm a personal trainer, fitness professional. My company is Next Level Fitness, and but I'm also the Renton, Seattle, Washington coordinator for the National African American Wellness Walk and Run. It's a 5K walk and run, free health screening for all men of color. That day, the event is absolutely free and the health screen is free. So it's a day for all men to come out, get health screened, be active in the community, network, learn about all these other health issues and things that we can prevent if we just get screened and know our number. We have a series of other events that are coming up as well. But the walk is the root of it. It's the thing that gets us out, gets us moving.
You said that the first year you had how many people there?
First year we had over 1,000 people in attendance, and we got over 200 men health screened. So
part of the way you did that is you had these passion teams. Tell us a little bit about that, because Cynthia is super excited about getting our Black collective community pulled together through a passion team.
So the passion teams are really great, and that's the way that we galvanize the community, galvanize our programs and organizations to have a friendly competition, compete to see who can get the most members out, but also everything is rooted back to bring awareness to the walk. Our passion teams, that gives the organizations, the businesses, the programs a chance to show their colors, show their strength, that they are in support of Black men's health, and they are rooted with coming together, walking together, showing their passion with their passion teams together, as we are all coming together with Black men's health. We're coming together for Black men's health. It becomes a friendly competition nonetheless, but at the end of the day, everything is rooted back towards us being in support of our Black men's health. So any program or organization, like our one of our partners, emergency feeding program, who is a big partner, they'll be out with their shirts on. So anyone, a passion team can be 2 or more people, 2 people or more. It can be 2 to 200. I know our church last year, New Beginnings Christian Fellowship, had around 180 to 200 people there. So it was a big passion team. So we want to get as many groups and organizations out as possible to actually, to show their strength in numbers and support.
Cynthia, tell us a little bit about what the Black Collective can expect. What are you trying to pull together here?
Well, we want to support our brothers, and the walk is not just for brothers, it's for anybody in the community to participate as well. So we'd like to have a little friendly competition. I personally think that the health committee is like the best committee at the Black Collective. So the health committee is challenging all the other committees of the Black Collective to sign up to get as many people as you can. I will go ahead and register us as the Black Collective, as a passion team, but let's see how many of us can come out and show up and show out and get our exercise groove on, right? And tout what we do at the Black Collective and encourage our brothers to come on and get some screening. So, hey, all y'all out there, economic development, education committee, let's see what you got. Bring it.
All right, y'all heard it here.
And Victor, please chime in on this. Was talking about mental health. Mental health has been a major issue in our community, especially with the impact of the pandemic, and that there is a correlation between exercise and your mental health.
But now it's time for me to push, train, and motivate others to be more health conscious about things that we can prevent. My why for doing this walk, my other why for doing this walk and doing these type of things now, which is one thing I feel like every man should hold dear to their heart, is the fact that we need to know our numbers for our kids and for our generation. The key point in this, because our kids, it's a generational thing. Our fathers didn't go to the doctors because they felt like, oh, I can't miss work. And it goes back to the mental stress part. And this is what I'm gonna get to. It goes back to the stress part. It got me going now. So it goes back to the aspect of, oh, my boss is gonna think I'm a lazy Black man because this, that, and the third. Oh, I can't miss work because I got to provide for the family, and I got to be the man for the household because I got to provide for the family. And we have all this emotion and tension bottled up in. We don't go to the doctor for our managed pride, and then our kids don't know what issues we necessarily had, or what started that issue, or what symptom initially kicked off that issue, when it could easily be addressed if we just swallow our pride and go get checked out, and not be afraid to say, I need to go get checked out. I need help.
So I'm trying to snap my fingers. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. I need help. And there's nothing wrong with that. We deserve to take care of each other, right?
Yes. We do have opportunity to volunteer. We have a variety of different areas that we do need volunteers for. We need flaggers to help direct traffic, because we do have a new bike lane over at the stadium. So we do need some flaggers to help out with the security, with the police officers that are also there right now. We need people to help registration at the registration booths. We also need people to help motivate and push the men to the line, because there's a lot of men that come to the walk and then we still try to shy away from the lines. But we need to have extra people motivating men, making sure we're getting everyone to the lines. And also we need the data. We need this information. We need the data from all our men, so that way we can come back with a better game plan and understand that we do die 10 years younger than our counterparts. And our main thing is closing that gap. We need to close that 10-year gap that we died 10 years younger, 10 years before. Again, this walk is for men, women, and children. It's for the entire family, but we are wholeheartedly, unapologetically rooting this for Black men's health, making sure that we start to know our numbers and we start to understand signs and symptoms of why we are dying at a young age, and not being afraid to go see the doctor, and bridging that gap back with the doctor as well, because that gap has been broken. So we are building that gap back, and we're closing that gap with the doctors and communicating with them more and understanding the right doctors to talk to and things like that. So we do need volunteers in a variety of different areas. So don't be afraid to, help out and volunteer. If you can't walk because of whatever issue you may have, you still can come out and show support and love by volunteering and showing help for this cause for our people.
Love it. Victor, I know right now, as we host the Black Collective this morning, you're actually joining us on video because you're doing a live workshop right now.
Yes.
So tell us real quick what that is. And you're going to continue to do that kind of stuff, right? You're going to continue to offer many, many things.
I do a variety of different boot camps, from Zoom workouts to, training athletes and things like that.
I love it. So Victor, we're going to have you back, but how do people find you? How do they reach you?
Well, you can find me you can reach out to me by email, which is Victor40Leon@gmail.com, which is Victor40Leon@gmail.com. Facebook is Victor L. Tolbert, and it's Tolbert. If you want to find me on Instagram, that social media platform, you can definitely find me at Mr. that's Mr. motivation _7. And then my business page is NXT Level Fitness 7. So it's NXT is Next Level Fitness without the E, NXT Level Fitness 7. So that's how you can find.
No, just remember, take care of yourself. You got to come first.